G'day, this is the channel formerly known as Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. I finally decided to change my name. It's now Oz ADV Rider, which is short for Aussie Adventure Rider. I've been thinking about changing it for a long time, so I've tried to pick a name that describes the channel. Basically, I'm an adventure rider from Australia. Yeah, I haven't ridden for a while. It's been a few weeks. The weather's been crap. We've had lockdowns. Yeah, we didn't really have a ride plan today because I thought it was going to be rained out all weekend. Yeah, it turned out really nice. So it's just me and Peter today from Into ADV. So this is an all V-Strom affair. Two 2008 V-Strom 650's. Both on Shinko E804 805's. Yeah, we have had a lot of rain overnight though. These trucks are very wet. It's only going to be a short ride today. I've got to get home and go and get my first COVID vaccination. Doing all this advertising and stuff, trying to encourage people to do it, but it's really not that easy. You know, a lot of people want to do it, but you just can't get booked in. So I'm heading into the pine plantation, the Flowerdale pine plantation. There's a really nice spot with a great view that I'm going to try and find. There's a bit of a maze in here though, there's trucks everywhere. Just hope it doesn't get too slippery. We're nearly there. Are you right with this one? Yeah. They should level out, if it's where I think I am. Big, sorry? Yeah, it's a big if. It looks pretty grippy. Some of those bits are slippery. Right, I'll have a look. Beautiful. We'll go that way. Left. Easy. That should be it, hopefully. He doesn't trust me anymore. Right, yeah, well, I'm going to try and find my way back out of this pine forest and get home. I thought we were out of the hardest stuff. It must have been a different road. We're only a kilometre away from the main road, so I thought that was it, but it doesn't look too good up there, does it? Righto, we'll have a look. Oh, he's done it easy. I struggled. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Spoke too soon. Shit. You alright? Righty, I'm going to sign out again. It's been a great day. It turned out beautiful weather. Good to catch up with Peter again. I haven't ridden with him for a while. After the stuff I just took him through, he probably won't want to ride with me again. So please let me know what you think of my new channel name, and I'll see you on the next one.